Okay, we want to look at some special triangles and their properties and how we can use those properties to solve some angle problems. So I've drawn two triangles here, and over here I have an equilateral triangle. Now an equilateral triangle is one where all the sides and all the angles are the same. And the way we show that with notation is that we put a dash on each side to say that all three are the same, and we mark on each angle to say each of those angles are the same. So that's an equilateral triangle. Now, the interior angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees, which means that each of these angles is 60 degrees. The second special type of triangle to be aware of is the isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, two of the sides are the same length and the third is different. So again, I'll mark that these two sides are the same length. Also, the two angles at the base are the same size, so I'll mark those in. And that's going to be helpful when we solve some problems. So let's do that now. Here I have a triangle, and you can see that two of these sides have been marked, which lets me know that this is an isosceles triangle, which means that this angle and this angle are both the same size. Okay, so how does that help me find x? Well, down here I have a straight line, and the angles in a straight line sum to 180 degrees. So I can work out this blue angle by saying 180 take 118, which is going to be 62 degrees. So this angle here is 62 degrees. It's isosceles, which means that this is also 62 degrees over here. So altogether, these add up to 124 degrees. The angles in the triangle sum to 180, so I'm going to work out 180 take 124 degrees, which is 56 degrees. So the angle I'm looking for is 56 degrees. Here I have a second problem, and this time I've got two triangles, well three. I've got this one here, and the larger one. But this one on the right has got three sides marked, which tells me all three sides are equal, and all three angles are equal. All three angles are equal in a triangle, which means all three angles are 60 degrees. Okay, so how does that help me find x over here? Well, again, I have my straight line here. So I could work out that this angle here is 180 take 60, which is 120 degrees. So these two add together to be 153 degrees. And I could do 180 take 153, which is 27 degrees. So x is 27 degrees. Another way I could look at that problem is looked at the larger triangle here. I have 93 degrees here and 60 degrees here, and that adds up to 153 degrees. I do 180 take 153, I would have found it was 27 degrees either way. So remember not only that these are equilateral and isosceles, but the implications when we come to solve angle problems.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.